Okay, day 7. It's been a long day. I was taken off furlough today. Had to go into work. So I walked like, I don't know how many, like 13,000 steps. It took me forever, so I'm knackered. But still managed to fit in a tutorial when I got back. So I've done a 2.8 modeling tutorial by Zerobio. He does some sci-fi bots modeling. I tried to follow along as much as I could. Kind of got distracted. I might revisit this again tomorrow and see if I can improve on it. But let's get started. Okay, so we're about to call it a night. Yeah, I mean, I learned some basic Booleans, how to do it, and a little bit of hard modeling. I will revisit this again tomorrow. I want to work on the hard modeling techniques and improve on the Booleans, because I do think I fudged it a little bit and went off the tutorial a little bit. But yeah, thank you again. You can hit that subscribe button, helps me grow. Thank you again. Take it easy. Good night, good evening, good morning, good day, goodbye.